It's a new season, 2021. I decided I'm going to keep this 2020 KLX 230. The seat height has always been a problem. I can touch kind of tippy-toe on one side and I can get on and off, but a lot of times I'll catch my foot on that fender when I get off. So I'm going to see if I can lower this bike down at least 2 inches. And I've got this lowering link from POPUP'S.com, and you can see it's got adjustable links. You're supposed to be able to go from stock to 4 inches lower. I'm holding the bike up off the kickstand up straight. You can see how high that seat height is right now, and we'll remeasure after we install the link. This is what comes with the kit, and this is where we'll be installing it. Thing we want to do is loosen this bolt, and you can see it's got a keeper on this side to keep that from spinning, so we'll take the other bolt off from the opposite side. A crescent wrench gets in real good behind this side, and then go on the other side and loosen this side up. That one's off, this one's off, and if you just push the bike up on the stand, that'll relieve the pressure, and you should be able to put those right through. Alright, so you're going to have to block it up. I use this tackle box for the back tire. Put these back together. You'll have to use the front bolt for the back here because the stock one's not long enough, but it is on this side. They don't tell you that in the instructions. And it looks like we've already lowered it 1 inch. I'll put some Loctite on there, tighten those up, and then we'll adjust the height. Alright guys, she's all back together again. We got Loctite on it. You can see that lowered it quite a bit. And I didn't adjust it anywhere from the stock setting on that new dog bone. So I can get on and off a lot easier now. I can touch both sides, and it still has a ways to go, but I don't want to lower it any more than that. And they do sell kickstand kits that are adjustable, so it will still go on the kickstand. You'll have to be careful where you set it though. It really took the stance of that back down quite a bit though. Hope that helps you guys out. Thanks for watching. We'll see ya.